waking me today. Seems so weird. For so long, and it's finally happening. Oh, God, I can't believe it. Well, anyway, I'm gonna go get some coffee and some food, and be on my way. Alright, got my apple crisp frappuccino, a venti, and my food. Let's fucking do this thing. This shit is so fire. Oh, so cold. Okay, just made my first stop in Kettleman City. Got some gas, I went pee. All is good. I'm debating whether or not to go get something to eat. Because like I'm kind of hungry, but not really. But I think I'm just gonna keep driving. I'm gonna go to my favorite salad spot in LA before I get to my friend's place because A, I haven't had it in so long, like so long. But also, it's gonna be my last time in a while that I have it. So hopefully it'll be open first of all. But yeah, I'm very excited to have a big fat salad. First of all, because that just sounds amazing because it's so hot. Hopefully you can still hear me because my AC has been on this entire time. Yeah, it's so hot, but hopefully all is well, and I can have that salad, so it's so fucking good. And then Val's gonna make food later tonight for me, her, Christina, her roommate, and Emily, her old roommate / my new best friend, or newer best friend of mine. So yeah, it's gonna be good, and I'm overall feeling pretty good. So get shit done. I know that's right. Listening to Disenchantment on Netflix that I downloaded, so great success. Check back in with y'all later. It says chop stop, I swear. Oh, I'm so excited. Yeah, I literally started crying as soon as all my stuff was in the car. And like I was saying bye to my parents and to the dogs. And like I wasn't sad for like saying bye. I was just like relieved that everything like finally is happening, you know? Yeah. Like I'm not working 2 jobs. I've saved a fuck ton of money in 2 months. I'm moving across the country with my own place for the first time in ever. So it was just like a huge like relief thing. And I was like, this is crazy.
Yeah, like the payoff finally.
Mm-hmm. We did the walkthrough of our townhouse apartment situation. We got the keys, gave him the check. We unloaded our stuff from the car. She's finally empty. And yeah, we're just doing some errands now. We're picking up our internet box thing to set up at home. We are gonna go to the dollar store, to the refill store, Target and or Walmart to pick up some stuff. We're gonna get pizza tonight and do a double feature potentially of the Hocus Pocus movies because it came out yesterday. So yeah, it still hasn't fully set in that like we're in Georgia, first of all, but also I have my first apartment with my best friend. Like I live 3.5 hours away from my other best friend and her family. And like this, we live here now. It just has not like come together at all. And I honestly don't know when it will. But I'm happy. I'm happy that we finally made it. And oh wow. Yeah, I can't believe it. I FaceTimed my parents already. And I'm gonna FaceTime my sister later. Because also her birthday present that I bought her arrived in the mail. So I want her to open that. And yeah, I'm very excited. So it's gonna be good. It's our first day living in Georgia. And yeah, we're doing great. First shower in the new apartment. First shower in 3 days also. And we're doing great. It is a little after 11, almost 11:15. And I am very tired. So, I talked to my sister and she opened her birthday present that I bought for her. So that's exciting. Yeah, my room is kind of in a state. I guess I'll go ahead and show y'all real quick. So from where I'm sitting, so that's all the laundry from this past week. That's just some movies, some books and my, like tarot cards and stuff and my candles. Of course, my closet is kind of a mess, but it's fine. We're gonna hopefully fix all that tomorrow. Yeah, I just have random stuff on the floor. That's all bathroom stuff. My bathroom is pretty much good to go. But yeah, tomorrow we will be thrifting, going more shopping, trying to find more stuff. My mattress will get delivered tomorrow, which is exciting as well. But yeah, so hopefully tomorrow will be a fun day. So thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna end it here. And yeah, we'll check in tomorrow and see this next part of the movie vlog.